Hey guys, Hat Terrigal here. Well, my last video was on this patch here, $2 coins and 20-cent coins, and she just keeps giving. I got one there, one hit there, so I'll just go back and dig that live on TV because there's been a lot of bad reviews about this MD 3080, and I'll tell you what, over this black sand it just cracks it. It's better than the AT Pro, worth 1200. I'll go back to me zap here, and there we go. Alright, let's just see what we got here again. Hopefully another $2 coin. Could be a $20 adventure by the time we keep going, if this hole keeps on giving $2 coins. Now, this MD 3080 is going down as far as almost 10 inches. So, it's not lagging at all. Alright, here we go. 20-cent coin. And that there's hitting at about 8 to 10 inches.